The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke. Jesus said to his disciples, "As it was in the days of Noah, so it will be in the days of the Son of Man. They were eating and drinking, marrying and giving in marriage up to the day that Noah entered the ark, and the flood came and destroyed them all. Similarly, as it was in the days of Lot, they were eating, drinking, buying, selling, planting, building. On the day when Lot left Sodom, fire and brimstone rained from the sky to destroy them all. So it will be on the day the Son of Man is revealed. On that day, someone who is on the housetop and whose belongings are in the house must not go down to get them, and likewise one in the field must not return to what was left behind. Remember the wife of Lot. Whoever seeks to preserve his life will lose it, but whoever loses it will save it. I tell you, on the night there will be two people in one bed. One will be taken, the other left. And there will be two women grinding meal together. One will be taken, the other left. And there will be two. They said to him in reply, "Where, Lord?" He said to them, "Where the body is, there also the vultures will gather." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise be Jesus and Mary. Where the body is, there also the vultures will gather. Brothers and sisters, as we go near to the end of the liturgical season, we will hear many gospel regarding the end of time. Kasi nga, patapos na po yung ating liturgical calendar. So mga ilang linggo na lang, and we will have our new liturgical year. And in our gospel today, it is very interesting, if you note very well, regarding the coming of our Lord. And he gave two examples, the day of Noah and the day of Lot. Ano pong ibig sabihin? Ibig sabihin po, yung pagdating ni Lord ay yung pagdating na hindi masyadong extraordinary. And remember, Catechism of the Catholic Church teaches us that God will come to us in His second coming, or we can say it, our encounter with Him in two ways. First, through death. Second, through the second coming. Akala kasi nung iba, encounter lang natin si Lord kapag dumating na siya, yung tinatawag na parousia. And yet, we forget that all of us will encounter Him first through our own goodbye in this world. Goodbye, I hate to see you go. Have a good time. Hopefully, good time yung ating pupuntahan. No? And as Jesus said, regarding the time of Noah and Lot, they were eating, drinking, marrying, giving in marriage, planting, which means They are doing ordinary things. No? Nobody knows. No? Nung dumating yung bagyo, yung ulan sa time ni Noah, no? They do not know. Only Noah and his family knew that there will be a rain. And also in the time of Lot, no? Only Lot and his family, no, were advised to go out, no, of the city because God will destroy Sodom, no, the city of Sodom. And just like that, the Son of Man will reveal Himself. Kaya nga, I think we said last days ago, no? Huwag po tayong maniniwala. We should not believe, especially those called prophets of doom. No? May mga tinatawag na prophets of doom. Sasabihin, nako, magti 3 days of darkness. No? Magbabagsak yung meteor. No? 2000 so and so, magugunaw na ang mundo. No? Kailangan mag-impok na tayo ng pagkain. No? Yung COVID-19, ano na yan? Simula na yan ng katapusan ng mundo. It's in the end times. No? This is not scriptural. No, it is not the will of God. No? The will of God, of course, it will come. But God, even Jesus said, even I do not know when it came. Only the Father knows. So, ibig sabihin, mas magaling pa tayo kay God? No. What is important, my brothers and sisters, is that we will not be surprised when it came. No? Ang maganda po ay kapag dumating yung araw na yon, hindi tayo hindi tayo ma-surprise, kundi sabi nga sa Boy Scout, laging handa, or Girl Scout, no? Laging handa. Let us always be prepared. And interesting, no? If you are listening very well, after this example regarding Noah and Lot, Jesus said, no, that there will be 2 people in one bed. One will be taken and one left. No? Bakit sinabi ni Lord na sa dalawang tao, yung isa kukunin, yung isa maiiwan? Anong ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig sabihin po, it is mine and your choice. Ibig sabihin, no? Yes or no. Yun lang yun. May mga magsasabing yes para ako kay Lord. May mga magsasabing no para kay Lord. Kaya nga, di ba, binago, no? Binago yung sa liturgy, no? Especially sa canon of the Eucharist, yung pro multis na tinatawag. Instead of for all, no? Binago yung translation, naging for many. Kasi nga, no? Jesus died for all, but not all will accept Him. Gabos, si Lord ay namatay para sa gabos. Pero, ang nakakalungkot, hindi lahat tinanggap siya sa kanilang, sabi nga sa Bisaya, kasing-kasing sa kanilang puso. No? Not all accept Jesus. And those who will be saved are those who will say yes. Even those in your own family and loved ones. Ayun. Of course, maganda kung buong pamilya ay maliligtas. All family, relatives, it is beautiful to see them all in heaven. But it is a choice. Choice po natin yan. Kahit sabihin mo na, kahit sa community, sa parish, sa barangay, sa no? Sinabi mo na, oy, magbago na tayo. magsimba na tayo, magdasal tayo. Pero tingnan nyo, yung iba sasabihin yes, yung iba sasabihin no. Ayaw ko nga, pakialam ko dyan. Sabi pa nung isa, ma at pa. Malay ko at pakialam ko. No? Yun ang sinasabi ng iba, no? Matagal pa yan. No? Matagal pa yan. Sabi nga si St. John Bosco, no? One of the deceit of the devil, one of the trick of the devil, remember, especially those who are listening to us in the radio today, one of the greatest trick of the devil is to tell us that we still have time. Bakit? Sabi niya, Father Jeremy, bakit panlilin lang yung sinabi ng demonyo na we still have time? Kasi yung oras, yung time, hindi naman sa tuya, hindi naman sa atin. We are not the one, hindi tayo may hawak ng oras natin. Sige nga, kayong mga nakikinig o kayong mga nandito sa simbahan, pwede nyo bang i-stop ang oras? Sabihin nyo, oy, manatili ka sa alas 6 o alas 7, huwag kang magiging alas 8, alas 9. No, you cannot do that. O, dito lang muna tayo sa umaga, wag nang maggabi. Pwede nyo bang gawin yun? Hindi. Time, kaya nga di ba sabi, time after time. Diba? Time is precious. Mahalaga yung oras. Kaya nga kapag hindi mo na nagawa yung dapat mong gawin doon sa oras na yun, doon sa panahon na yun, wala na. Hindi mo na pwedeng balikan kasi tapos na. No? Kaya nga sabi, di ba, kung ano yung dapat nating magawa sa araw na ito na dapat nating gawin na natin. Kasi hindi natin alam yung oras na darating kung nandun pa tayo. Yung mga kapatid natin, no, na nauna sa atin, katulad ni Nanay Ella, Sister Teresa, no? Alam niyo sa totoo lang, no? Maswerte si Nanay Ella. Bakit? Kasi, no, he spent well his time. Kapag may oras siya, nandyan siya, nagsisimba. No? Kapag may oras siya, nandyan, nagdadasal. And kapag dumating na yung time na wala na, at least, di ba, sure ka, ay Lord, salamat, at nagamit ko yung aking oras para sa iyo. No? Kasi hindi natin alam ang ating buhay dito sa mundo. Paglabas mo dyan sa simbahan, paglabas mo ng harong, sino makapagsasabi sa iyo na darating ka pa dun sa oras na yun, sa araw na yun? Sino? No, we are not. Because God is in command of the time. At isang, yun nga, niloloko tayo ng demonyo, sasabihin ng demonyo, oh, may oras pa naman. May oras pa. No? Pero paano? Hindi mo lang hawak yung oras. That's why you have to choose. Do you choose to God? No? Choose to be with God, to do the will of God, or you choose your own self? No? Kaya nga, mga tugang, mga brothers and sisters, we are being advised by the Lord, warned by the Lord in our gospel today, that He will come, but we should respond. Ano yung ating response sa pagdating ni Lord? What will be our response? We will wait? Maghihintay ba tayo? No? O para tayong si Juan Tamad na nakanganga? No? Or we will do something now habang naghihintay tayo kay God. No? And let us ask Saint Josaphat, no, martyr, to help us. Tulungan tayo, tabangan tayo ni Saint Josaphat at ni Mama Mary na i-choose yung paghahanda kay Lord. At huwag tayong magpaloko sa demonyo. No? Huwag nating sabihin, ay, may oras pa naman para gumawa ng mabuti. No? Let us do, sabi nga ni Saint Francis, no? Brothers, while we have time, let us do good. Brothers and sisters, while we have time, let us do good. Let us not wait for any time, because time is in the hand of God. Praise be Jesus and Mary.